new boat for me. But the gauges were like that, and now it's like that. So I'm going to show you
how we did it.
How I did it. What you'll need is some cutting compound, cut and polish, wet and dry. So I've got a 320 grit, 1000 and 2000. So I'll progressively sand that back with the coarse one, make my way back to the fine one, and then I'll use the cut and polish. All right, bit of water, start rubbing. This takes quite a while, this. So, as the pit boys say, through the miracle of time, bit of water. You see the scratches are coming out very slowly. Remember to keep the tongue inside the mouth.
It helps.
Helps with some things. Doesn't help if it's all over though. Like I did once when I was a kid.
Tongue off.
I bit the tongue off. Yeah. And you get a bit of a round and around effect, so I don't wear grooves. Woo! Lucky it's not hot.
It's 38 degrees today.
39 apparently, so everyone said.
I'll
Probably
Google
not
it.
there yet.
I'll Google it in a minute. Yeah, it's only 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Alright, bit of water, look at that. Big scratches are gone. So now...
Dry it first to show them what it looks like now.
Alright.
Just to show them why you're moving. It's still not...
See, like...
Those big scratches are gone, but it's not clear.
Now it's
like
dry. Yeah, it's gone all milky.
Yes.
So then you go down to your 1000 grit. P1000. So we need just a little piece like that. More water. You've got to have water.
Gotta have water.
As you can see,
Let me see.
well, you can see it's wet, it's going clear. So even the smaller scratches are coming out now. See, there you go, there's enough of that. That's the 1000. Now we're going to 2000. Same deal, it doesn't feel like you're doing anything. Right. You can see, same again. Scratches are much less, but you still can't see through it properly. Cut and polish.
Cut and polish.
See, a little bit of cut and polish there, we'll rub it in. You see, it's like toothpaste. I'll rub, pushing really hard, because this is for polishing paint really, not plastic. There you go, look. Rub.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
Wow.
How clear is that?
That's so cool.
Turn it on.
Johnno.
Now you can actually read the gauge. That's how many hours the motor's done. Push the motor again. Temperature, oil. I think it's supposed to be trim. But that's alright though.
That's very cool. I know you took 7.5 minutes. Get that, it's part of the video.
Cleaning out the excess cut and paste.
Cleaning around the edge, yes.
There you go.
And this is the new boat that we haven't even had on the water yet. Getting it the way Johnno likes it. And next video, hopefully you'll see us out with the new crab pots. We've got new boat, new crab pots, new crab measurer, ready to go crabbing. To be continued.